Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're getting into something really useful for pretty much every home.
Hot water.
Yeah, hot water sounds basic, but there's some cool tech changing things up.
Exactly. We're looking at tankless water heaters today and why they're becoming such a big deal, especially for people in areas like Delta.
Right. And just so you know, we're basing this chat on a really helpful guide we found over on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Okay.
Our goal, basically, to figure out how these things work and, what they can actually do for you and your home.
All right, let's start there then. Tankless water heaters. Break it down for us. Simple terms, what are we talking about here?
Okay, think on demand. That's the key. No giant tank sitting there full of water, keeping it hot all day.
No big tank. Okay.
Instead, it's usually a smaller box, and it keeps the water super fast, right as you need it, when you turn on the tap.
So the heating happens instantly?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Cold water goes in, passes through a heating element, either gas or electric, and comes out hot. So you get hot water continuously, non-stop. Okay, non-stop hot water, that sounds pretty good. Now, let's get specific. Why are these especially interesting for homes in, say, Delta? What's the local angle?
Well, Delta's got its own climate, right? And it's growing. So these heaters offer a few things that really fit. First, that endless hot water thing we just mentioned.
Right.
Think about it, multiple showers going, dishwasher running.
Yeah.
You just don't run out. No more scheduling showers or getting that cold surprise mid-wash.
Yeah, definitely had that happen. Okay, so endless hot water. What else?
Big one, saving money on energy. Because they only heat water when you actually turn on the tap.
Okay. Not heating it 24/7 like a tank does.
Exactly. That old tank is always losing heat, always kicking on to stay warm. That's called standby loss. Tankless.
Yeah.
Zero standby loss. So your energy bills can drop noticeably.
How noticeably are we talking?
It varies, of course, but you could see 20%, maybe even up to 50% savings on the water heating part of your bill each month. That adds up.
Wow, okay. That's significant. What other perks are there?
Space. This is huge for some people. Those old tanks are bulky, right? They take up a lot of room.
Oh yeah, usually stuck in a closet or the basement corner.
Right. These tankless units are much smaller, wall-mounted often. So you get that space back. More room for, storage, other stuff. Great if your place isn't huge.
More space, lower bills. Sounds good. Anything else?
Yeah, they tend to last longer too. A traditional tank might give you, 8 to 12 years?
Something like that, yeah.
These tankless ones, you're often looking at 15, maybe 20 years, sometimes even more if you maintain them.
Double the lifespan, basically.
Pretty much. So fewer replacements, less hassle in the long run.
And I guess using less energy is also better for the planet.
Definitely. Less energy consumption means, fewer emissions. It's a smaller carbon footprint for your household. It's a nice way to kind of help keep Delta green, just with being more sustainable.
So recapping for you listening, you get comfort at endless hot water. You save money, you get more space, they last longer, and it's a bit kinder to the environment.
Exactly. It ticks a lot of boxes.
What about getting one installed in Delta? Any local specifics to think about?
Yeah, good point. Using local installers is smart. They know the local codes, the water conditions, that kind of thing. They make sure it's set up right for your home.
Okay.
And they can also help you find savings opportunities. Sometimes there are rebates, from the government or maybe the power company, FortisBC, for example, for installing energy-efficient appliances.
Oh, right. Incentive program.
Yeah, those can help bring down the initial cost quite a bit. Definitely worth asking about.
Good tip. And remember, you can find a lot more detail on all this, the services, the benefits for your area over at the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Yep, it's a great resource.
Yeah.
So thinking about all this, endless hot water, more space in your home, lower bills month after month, doing a little bit for the environment. It makes you wonder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's maybe one small thing you could look into today just to start exploring if this kind of upgrade makes sense for your own home down the road?